Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Buick Lacrosse keyless remote. First, make sure you have all the key fobs you want to program ready to go. It's also a good idea to check your car's battery to ensure it's fully charged, preventing any interruptions. Finally, consult your owner's manual for any specific details unique to your vehicle model. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful programming experience for all your remotes. Now, let's get your car ready for programming. Begin by inserting your key into the ignition and turning it to the on position. Next, press and hold the door unlock button located on the driver's side door panel. While holding this button, quickly turn the ignition key from on to off 2 times within a 5-second window. This sequence will prepare your vehicle to accept new remote signals. Once your car's doors lock and unlock, release the door unlock button. This indicates the vehicle is in programming mode. Now, take your first key fob. Simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the remote. Continue holding these 2 buttons for approximately 15 seconds. You'll know the remote is programmed when the car's doors lock and unlock once more, confirming the signal has been accepted. To exit programming mode, simply turn the ignition key to the on position. Then, remove the key from the ignition. It's crucial to test all your newly programmed key fobs to ensure they function correctly. Try locking and unlocking the doors with each remote. If any remote doesn't work as expected, don't worry. You can repeat the entire programming process for that specific remote until it operates perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.